Hello guys, in today's video let's talk about Character Studio Mixer. Let's select the Biped. You can find the mixer on Graph Editor, Motion Mixer, or just go to the Biped settings, select Biped apps, and just select the mixer into the Biped. Okay, the mixer works like audio composition software, something like that, like a video edition but in animation. Let's move this window a little bit to get you understand better. Okay, let's talk about this tool with a clip inside. To introduce a clip in the motion mixer, you just need to select this part. Just in case you delete this one, you don't delete this for any reason because this is the default mixer. But any case you delete this, you see the mixer empty. Now you can't import anything inside. Just in case that happens, just click right here and add a track group, because this can happen sometimes. You delete, you don't know what to do. So if you delete this, just right click in the Biped right here and add a track group. Okay, so let's start. So let's import a clip. You need to right click in the middle of the track group, new clip from file. Let's import an idle. Let's import by and come. Okay. Okay, when you have some animations inside, okay, to get the mixer working, you need to select this tool in the Biped. Actually, I don't know why it didn't select by herself, but any case, you can just select right here. It's a mixer mode, and the Biped go to mixer. In this clock right here, just will say to max to update this range. Just click it. Max will give you the frame rate. As you see, you can see you have some clips right here. Let's delete this idle because it's a little bit long. Let's select the idle number 2. Let's put it in front. Okay, you can move with the move tool. You can move the clips. With the snap tool, you can pull the clip at, very snap one to another, and you can move all of this with the same space with this tool. But actually we are always move with this tool, which is very handy. So you know how to with this same tool you can stretch. If you select the beginning of the ending, you can stretch the animation. Okay, let's watch this animation. You can see it's like home animation. Let's put it a little bit faster. Now make more sense. Okay, with this tool you can just stretch and squash the timing animation. with this tool right here, you can just cut an animation. This will cut it, so it's not anymore animation right there. This tool can be useful when you need to match some kind of animation with other, like right foot with right foot. You can just cut it and make a match. But let's talk about this one soon. Okay, for now let's understand what you can do with the mixer. Okay, you have a idle right here. And now let's make another idle from this idle. Okay, just right click right here. You can add a track layer above or below, whatever you want. Let's do it above, and you have the same as this one track, but an empty track above. Just let's select this like by animation. Okay, suppose you want to mix this by animation with the idle. Okay. Now this is mixing both animation. You have a idle down, the by animation, and continue with the idle, but it's not looking any smooth because it's jumping from an animation to another. So the way to smooth this one is just select this pencil right here. This will give you a edit mode in the animation. You can just drag this point. You can see like a point right here. Select this point. You can create any point as you want. Okay, when you do that, you smooth the both animation. Let's smooth a little bit more. If you select the point, you can just delete it with delete keyboard. Just a little bit more right here. Now you can see you have a smooth. Of course, you can move the animation as you want, the time you want. See what happening here, because it's not looking smooth right here. Okay, now we got it, a smooth animation. Okay, let's mix with this one too. Let's put this one a little bit more in front, starting in 0 2. But you will say bye, look around, and there we do this animation. Okay, let's smooth this one too, because if you see, it's very raw. Okay, let's delete this jump. Select editing, move the point down, create a point. Okay, this kind of animation is better to mix with the other way. Okay, the other way to do the same is just selecting the, because he's moving the foot, so it's getting another position. Okay, let's delete this animation. So okay, this is well mixed because it's not moving the foot position. Select all and a group. Okay, with this track group, let's lower the animation with the foot position. And now let's move in this position right here when we want, and in this layer, this group, select the filter. In all, you can find a filter and you can disable the position. We just want the spine, the arms, and the head. Now the animation, we use the hand. Let's smooth this animation. Using the same trick. We need more time with this one because it's not getting well done. I feel it's accelerated too. Let's change a little bit of this animation. Make it larger. With this square right here, you can just like disable all the auto shots to see just one. Okay, in this way you can see how to mix some animation using the groups or using just the tracks. There's two ways to mix this one, using the filter or just using another animation. But you know, if the animation move the position of the Viper or something, you need to use the group, is better, and disable with the filters. Okay, suppose you want everything you did right here on the Biped. So you just need to go to right here to select the Biped, right click, computer mixdown, and this mixdown, just right click and copy to the Biped. Now you can close right here and the Biped will do the animation you have in the mixer. Bake it in keys. Sometimes the animation came in another position, just select auto key and make a layer to bring the animation to the center again. But this is not a great deal. Okay, that's the way to mix like some animations together. So right now let's mix another kind of animation, like if you want to make a sequence, something like that. Let's see how to make a sequence. Okay, let's delete what you have right here. That's the last one. Okay, now we don't have animation. We don't have animation because we are in the mixer mode. If we get out, you have the animation because you already baked it. Okay, let's make another mixer right here. Okay, the other way to mix animation is converting this track in a transition track. Is convert this in a transition track. So when you import some animation, like a sequence, you will see like more like a graph for video editing or sound editing. Oh, we got the filter right here. Let's select all because we want everything moving right here. When you import more than one clip, the mixer is trying to mix by himself, but you can do it as you want. Okay, we have a running cycle and a stop and a start. Let's make this better. This is the transition. So you can put more time to transition or less time. This will do this more smooth or less smooth. You can just play with this option right here to get the right transition. Okay, you can actually right click on this. You can edit the transition time. You can preserve the height. This is a very nice option because maybe the other clip you're trying to get into is not like in the same position. This will preserve the height. You can auto center by mask, by foot, and the Biped will try to find. Just keep it like in center of mass, just in case you have another foot. So you will change right here. And you can play with these tools right here with these settings, like the motion flow, but these have some other tools motion flow don't give you. So this is the best tool for mixing animation. Just keep it like this one. I just play with this in any case. Some case you need to do modification right here, but in mostly of the case you don't need to touch right here. Just the high preservation was a nice feature. Okay, this is moving. Okay, it's moving nice. We can delete this, some kind of noise at the the editing, so don't worry about the noise. But at the end, the beginning is looking good. Let's fix the ending. Let's fix the rhyme. Okay, let's import an idle on the end. Okay, now you have a sequence. Let's do this motion right here more time, because it's looking like don't have time. Let's switch into the right foot, see what happens. Okay, we got it. So when you like the mix, this is a mix for sequence. When you like the mix, it's the same process. You just select the biped, compare the mix down, right click on the mix down, copy to the biped. Now you can delete everything you did right here, because the mix will be already on the biped. Of course, if you don't like some noise right here, like this one, you will see some noise. The foot right here, just plant it right here. Make a slide. Shift and drag, select the planted. Make the tension to 50. Keep the foot in the same position. Now you can delete the noise in the foot. Now this will look better. If you have more noise, you can fix handling, but it's looking great. Just in case you move to in front, make a layer, start running right here. Let's make a key on the selection in the start. Let's make a key on the end. This clip will move in front. Let's collapse this. Now you got the sequence. Of course you can keep playing with the layers and fixing stuff, but globally it's looking great, the sequence. This is the best way to make sequence. So now let's talk about a tricky way to make a mix when you have an animation with the position of the biped changing. So let's import a file clip. Before file is will calling you. Okay, when you select the file, this tool right here, set the lowest starting foot to high to 0 to see you are 0. Okay, this will put the animation in another place. This is not a big deal, but when you import another clip, let's import an idle 02. You will have a jump right here, and of course you don't like the jump. Even if you import the animation file with this setting missing, you will have something, but this is not like as you want. Okay, to fix this one, because this is a tricky problem you can have. Okay, just delete this, just make a transition layer. The first clip you will import was the clip when you want the position of the biped, the real position. Let's import the idle. Now let's import the file. Now the position of the biped will be fixed. You have an idle, you will have a pole. Let's fix this a little bit. For this transition, let's use the optimize. Optimize is optimization you can use when you don't want to work. This is the laziest, but sometimes it's looking good because this will find the real position into the both clips. It will find the same position or the similar, and they will do it. So you don't need to do it handily. So this is the nice transition tool, but you can use it, or you can do it by hand, but you can use that as well. Sometimes this look very nice. Let's put more faster right here. Let's use G-Fall. And she's getting from this position, she's taking a long time. So just select this tool, select the time grab tool, right click on the track and add a time grab. Yeah, one faster from here. just create one here to the end. I want to finish this like faster. Select the right part. Okay, I want it more faster. Let's do it more faster. Okay, G4. You go faster. Okay, I like it that way because she's getting faster. So let's make a mix though. Let's copy to the Biped. Let's delete this one too. Now we got the sequence done. Just looking and default. So I hope you understand the use of mixer. Let's play with this one. I will give you the model and some vibe animation. That way you can play with the mixer. I hope you enjoyed the video and learn a lot. So see you in the next one.